Hello and welcome to RevenueTube and our new video on how to make money on YouTube, capturing images and videos. RevenueTube is all about giving you what you need to start and succeed with your own online business. In these first videos, I'll cover my top 10 tools for helping you work faster and smarter. After these 10 tools, we're going to show you the very best way to make money on YouTube, bar none. In a minute, I'm going to show you a couple of very important features that really make this tool pure gold and show you why you need it in your toolkit. Okay, so we all know we need to create content for our online business, and sometimes we need to capture items from our screen either to use in our own content creation or for reference and research purposes. Now, I'm sure we all know the keyboard shortcuts to print our screen for full screen captures, and we know how to edit the image in Paint or a similar program, but as good as these facilities are, they're not as quick and easy to use as our next free tool, Techsmith Capture. Techsmith Capture allows you to grab images and videos quickly, easily and in great quality in a couple of clicks, and then save these images or share them as URLs or embed codes. Okay, once you have Techsmith Capture installed, let me show you how easy it is to use. Simply click on the Capture button and your mouse pointer changes to a selector, with the selection area highlighted. Select the area you want to capture, whether that's an image or a video, and click Capture. Once you've captured the image or the video, you can either save it, copy it, or share it. Now, there's a couple of important things to mention. When you are making your selection, you can either manually select the specific area like this, or Techsmith will snap to various full screen capture presets to make capturing your entire screen quicker and easier. If you choose to upload the image or video, this is how you can share it as a URL or get the embed code. After capturing your image or video, choose Upload to Screencast. Sign into your account, then click Share and choose which option you require. Simple. Although I couldn't use Techsmith to make this demo for obvious reasons, I use Techsmith Capture now for all my image captures, screen share videos and demos, like the one you've just watched. It's brilliant, it's free, and I couldn't live without it now. Hopefully you found this presentation helpful. If you'd like to know more about this tool or have any other questions, please leave me a comment below. In our next video, I'll be showing you how to ensure that you don't pay more than you have to for almost anything online. This is a great video and will save you lots of money. Forever. Don't miss it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see other great tips, tricks and tools to help you succeed in your online business. Thank you for watching. See you soon.